Food lovers, welcome back to Jacinta's Kitchen. It's a beautiful Saturday morning, and today we are making a warm cup of ginger tea with milk, perfect to enjoy with some soft mahamri and leftover mbaazi from yesterday. And this one feels, extra special because I'm turning a year older today. So let's make it. I'm not the only one who uses this sphere of milk for tea, so we're going to add in our milk to the sphere, and yeah, it's just 1 cup after all. Then we're going to add in water. There we go. Yes. And since it looks like it wants to rise, we're going to add in, majani, but it has ginger in it, crushed. I don't know. People have different majanis, but yeah, this is one I'll be using. It has ginger and the majani combined. Yeah, but like ginger ilikuwa kando, so you mix it. Yeah, so we're going to make our tea. But kitambo chai ingekuwa inainuka hivi kidogo kidogo, unaambiwa upulize, mtongo unatoka huko umesweat, unapuliza. Anyway, so yeah, we're going to be using our kichungi to do the thing so that when it rises, we, yeah, that's it. Am I the only one who gets overwhelmed? Yeah, nikishinda nikigeuza kichungi just to make sure chai isimwagike. I don't know how funny, but it's funny. Na chai ya maziwa unageuka kidogo hivi, ukigeuka nyuma ukiangalia hivi, ukirudi ishamwagika yote. Anyway, it's a beautiful Saturday morning. I don't want to ruin it, so we will just cook this tea pole pole mpaka tumalize. Anyway, let me try and see if sauti inaweza manage. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. I always use two vijiko viwili vya sukari, 2 spoons. Lakini si zile vikubwa, just little ones. Yeah, to me. Happy birthday to me. Yeah, so I don't like a lot of sugar, so we're not going to add mingi venye umeona. Just 2 is enough. Tule vijiko vya offer. Ukienda kununua something and then they use small spoons. So yeah, that is what I use with my sukari. And 1,000 years later, our tea is ready. And look at that. So, what better way to start the day than with something simple, comforting, and full of love? Mm, I'm telling you, this is the best breakfast. I guess that it slaps just because I'm turning a year older. Anyway, fam, please, thank you so much. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and please tell a friend to tell a friend. Let's get to 300. Your money. Bye, fam. See you in the next one.